Determine whether the relationship between the two quantities described in each table is linear. If so, determine the constant rate of change. If not, explain your reasoning. If it is linear, it will have a constant rate of change. And I'll explain what that is in a second. Okay, so you want to see what your cost on this first one's doing. Here it's going up by $1.50, and $3 plus $1.50 is $4.50. So that's going up by $1.50, and $4.50 plus $1.50 is $6. So that's going up by $1.50. The cost is going up by the same amount. Now you test the number of cards. From 1 to 2 is going up from 1. 2 to 3 is going up 1. 3 to 4 is going up 1. If everything's the same for each individual part, things are changing constantly. This is a constant rate of change. And because it has a constant rate of change, this is linear. And it says, if so, determine the constant rate of change. So what you do is circle the right-hand side. I circle it because I'm going to make a fraction, and that's going to go up top, and whatever's on the left-hand side is going to go underneath. So $1.50 divided by 1 is $1.50, and that's the constant rate of change. So it is linear, and 1.50 is the constant rate of change. Okay, for number 2, the cost. From 10 to 18 that's up 8. From 18 to 24, you have to add 6. Okay, we can stop right now because that's not the same thing's not, it's not being constant. So this is not linear. Because the change is not constant. Okay. Next one. The cost. From $3.25 to $6.50. That's a 0.25. That gives you 350, 450, 550. That's $3.25 change right there. Okay? So 650 plus 325 is 975. So that was also a $3.25 change. 975 and 325 is $13. That was also a $3.25 change. Over here, from 2 to 4, that went up 2. From 4 to 6, that went up 2. And from 6 to 8 went up 2. This is linear because the constant change is constant on both sides. And the constant rate of change, you have to take the right-hand side divided by the left-hand side. So that's going to be 1.625. And that's the constant rate of change. Okay, number 4, the distance. From 2 to 4 is up 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Oh, that's not constant. The first one went up 2, the second one went up 1. This is not linear. Because there is not a constant rate of change.